Hey family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, aka Sis Went Vegan, and I'm back with another tasty video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I make a vegan omelet. I'm going to be using this product called Just Egg, and it's made from mung beans. I'm also going to be using black salt, which gives food an eggy taste and smell. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Let's go make this omelet. Shocked at how well this omelet turned out. Using the black salt made it taste just like eggs. You cannot tell a difference. Flipping it though was a bit tricky, which is why I bought that big old spatula to help me flip it, and it worked. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that when I post my video next week, you'll be notified. If you guys have a recipe that you want to see me try, please just drop it in the comments or shoot me a DM on Instagram at Sis Went Vegan. I love you guys so much. Bye.